Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'm going to show you all how I made this Ogbono and Okro soup. So if you haven't tried this soup, please try it. I promise you're going to love it. If you're new to my channel, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and leave your comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you all, and don't forget to share the video. Bye. I'm just adding all the meats I'm going to use to make this soup. I have momo, I have chicken, I have shaki, and I have stockfish. And now I'm just adding all the necessary ingredients I'm going to use to make this this meat. So, and after that I just added a little bit of Scotch bonnet to give it that a bit hot flavor. And I'm adding onion. You really need a good amount of onion to make this soup, especially to cook your meat. So I'm not going to add another onion. The one I'm going to use for this soup is just this one I'm using to cook this soup. And after that I just added like 1 cup of water. So after this I'm just going to allow the meat to cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. So now I'm just transferring the meat into another bowl, as I don't want to overcook the meat.
I see as them they plot it. See as them they set it. See as them they provoke. I bet na them he go choke. I no love it we babo.
So now I'm just adding dry fish, and after that I'm just adding ogbono. As you can see, I add and I stir, I add and I stir. I'm just adding it gently, batch by batch. And after that I'm just adding 1 cup of water here, so that my soup will, you know, be a little bit free, if I may say. So, and after that I'm just going to add palm oil. You need a very good amount of palm oil to make this soup, since we are cooking Ogbono and Okro. So I'm just making sure I get every palm oil inside the bowl, and I'm just giving it a good stir. And after that I'm just going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you can see it's bubbling in here, and this is what you're looking for. So now I'm just adding crayfish, and after that I'm adding ogiri. You know, when you're making ogbono soup, anything ogbono soup, and you don't have ogiri, like the flavor of ogiri in your soup, let me tell you, this ogiri is going to take the ogbono soup to another level, you know. So, but if you don't have it, you can skip it. But if you have it, it's a very good to use when you're making ogbono soup. So after that, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. I just added a pinch of salt, and I'm adding Maggi cube. I'm adding 2 Maggi cubes, and now I'm adding the shaki and bomo I took out earlier, and I'll cover the pot for a few minutes. So after like 2 minutes, I'm just adding the okro now. So I've already sliced the okro, and I'm adding the okro now. And after that, I'm just adding the whole hard chicken I used. So, and I'll give it a very, very good stir. If you like, you can grill it a little bit, and yeah, and I think I did. I grilled it just a little bit, not too much. So, and after that, I will stir it very well. And now I'm just adding a pinch of palm oil, just a little bit. And after that, I'm just adding spinach, fresh spinach, and I'm just going to give it like a minute or two, and then I'll get it out because I don't want the okra to overcook. So now I'm just going to add the remaining scotch bonnets. So after like 2-3 minutes, I'm going to give it a very, very good stir. As you can see, my Ogbono and Okro soup is done, like done. I don't want to leave it more than this. I don't want it to, to be overcooked. So here you go. This is my delicious Ogbono and Okro soup. I have made only Ogbono soup on my channel, and I will try to link the video somewhere up so you guys can watch it if you haven't. And now I'm just adding the remaining drumstick, and yeah, just going to add everything and then stir it very, very well. So remember, I used hard chicken, but this one I'm adding now is softer chicken, which is drumstick. So if you have kids, like, they might not want to eat the very hard chicken, so this is so this is it, like this is done, like done. And now I'm going to get it out because it's done, like done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And I will see you again in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Peace.
That kind of